What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Devil7. Well, welcome back to my channel with a new video. I'm going on it. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a good intro for YouTube, Instagram, any social media you like. Yes, and that will be a voice intro, 3D intro, whatever you like with music too. So it's a very simple step, and almost every people don't know about this. So almost you have to do is go to here, go to Play Store, Google Play Store or iTunes, insert, type legend. Look at that. I'm gonna type it for you. Legend. Okay. Then search it. Then what you have to do, or ignore all this, then you will have this first one, the stupid incorporated legend animate text in video. You have to click it and install it. Yes, and I'm gonna give a description of it too. Look at this. Write your text right there. Okay. I'm gonna show you right now. And you can make anything like GIF video, anything for your YouTube intro. That for I think people are looking for, and it can be done on smartphone. So that's it. And I'm gonna show you its space. Let's see. When I download it, it's about 19.50 MB. Likely about that. So I have to already installed it. We are gonna open it. There you go. This is our the default text. This is enter. You can go back there, and now you can write whatever you want. I'm gonna write my channel name, Devil7. Let's see. There you go. Devil7. Okay. Now what are you gonna do? We're gonna do here. We can select anything if you want photos, music, anything. We're not gonna bother with that. So now we can select what to do. Look at this. These are legitimate different patterns which you can use to customize the text. Look at this. So you can use this pattern to easily create a video like I'm doing this and then save it. Save as a GIF, save as a video. Look, I'm saying this Devil7 as this GIF. Done. Now we're gonna view this. Now we're gonna go to legend. Look at this. The legend, that was a video about how some of you want to answer for it. How want you want to create intro to your channel or make some videos like this. So hope you guys enjoy it, and be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so I can give you more tech videos like this, a lot of them. So subscribe to my channel if you want first to see this, and I will see you next time.